What is the value of the expression 3 plus 75 divided by open parenthesis 6 minus 3 close parenthesis and multiplied by 5 squared? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this question looks very easy, but it confuses almost everyone. Let's go step by step and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, first go to the expression 3 plus 75, and instead of this expression, they write 78 divided by 6 minus 3 inside the parentheses, then multiply by 5 squared. And the next step, they go to the expression inside the parentheses and simplify this expression to 78 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 squared. Then they perform the division between 78 and 3, and instead of this expression, they write 26 multiplied by 5 squared. And the final step, they go to the expression 5 to the power of 2 and simplify this expression to 26 multiplied by 25, which ultimately gives them the answer 650. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Also, some other people, when solving this question, first go to the expression inside the parentheses, and instead of this expression, they write 3 plus 75 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 squared. And the next step, they go to the exponent, 5 to the power of 2, and simplify this expression to 3 plus 75 divided by 3 multiplied by 25. Then, they perform the multiplication between 3 and 25 because they believe multiplication has higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 3 plus 75 divided by 75. And the next step, they perform the division between 75 and 75 because they say division has priority over addition. So, they simplify this expression to 3 plus 1, which ultimately gives them the answer 4. And immediately, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression correctly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by parentheses, then a multiplication, and finally exponent. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. Okay, we start with the parentheses first because parentheses have the highest priority compared to the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 3 plus 75 divided by 3 multiplied by 5 squared. In the next step, we go to the exponent because exponent after parentheses has higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 3 plus 75 divided by 3 multiplied by 25. Alright, now it's time to perform the division and multiplication because multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, we must pay close attention that multiplication and division have equal precedence. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression, performing division and multiplication as we go. So, we start with the division between 75 and 3. And instead of this expression, we can write 3 plus 25 multiplied by 25. And the next step, we go to the multiplication between 25 and 25 because multiplication has higher priority than addition. So, this expression simplifies to 3 plus 625, which ultimately gives us the answer 628. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.